So what's up guys, it's your boy VKFX. I'm live here with you guys with another educational content for you guys, with another educational video so you guys can learn from this. Actually, the reason I'm making this video is just for me to document this trade, because this is one of the trades that I will need to keep up to, so that I can be able to get well in my trading to become profitable. So this trade, I caught a GBP USD sell with my Telegram channel. It's like we took this trade around London section. I caught this trade with my Telegram channel during the London section, and it was a sell on GBP USD. So let's go to the higher time frame to analyze this for you guys. Let's go to the higher time frame. So firstly, price was not at this point where it has not created these candles when I was analyzing this chart. So firstly, what I did was I came to the time frame and I came to check what the trend is. You know how we do it. We come to the higher time frame to get the trend of the market. After then we move to the lower time frame to mark our support, and from the 15-minute time frame, 30 minutes, we get our entry. So what I did was, on GBP USD, I marked out my support and resistance. I just came here to check what trend is the market in. So price hasn't created this yet. It has not created this yet. So what it did was, I came here and I saw at least this was somehow like a double bottom that pushed price up. So after this, we had the higher low, and at this point again we had another double bottom that pushed this price. After I pushed this price up, we had another higher high. So as you can see, when price got to this higher high, immediately price, if price give us higher high, we have higher low, which is this one. Then after the higher low, we should get to see another higher high, which is higher than this one. But what we are seeing here is, immediately price got to this resistance, which is supposed to break. Price didn't break above it. What it did was, it came back down and it's closed bearish on the daily time frame. So what that is showing now is, on the daily time frame, we're having a double top on the daily time frame. So after that, I went to the lower time frame, to the 4 hours time frame. So I now want to check for clearer view, like what is the market doing, what is it doing. So as you can see, this is somewhat like a triple top, but let's say it's a double top. So at this point here, I analyzed it and I saw that price has been pushing down from that resistance. Price has been pushing down from this resistance we have above here. Price has pushing down from this resistance. So after that, I saw that price broke above. It broke below this neckline. This is the neckline for this double top we have on this daily time frame. So price broke below the neckline, and immediately it broke below the neckline. It came back to give a retest. After that retest, price created another double top. Let's go to the lower time, to the 1 hour time frame. So now, as you can see on the lower time frame, this is somehow to like a double bottom, a double top. On the 1 hour time frame, this is just like a double top for us. This is showing that yes, price wants to start to change its trend. And as you can see, we have, from this point, price has changed. It has not really changed yet, but what we have here is just another confirmation that price is about to change its trend. Immediately I saw this double top, then I was now at this point waiting for markets to do its thing. So now, so that we had this resistance that price has created multiple times. Like price has tapped from this resistance. Anytime price tap from it, push back down, tap from it, push that down, tap from it, push that down. So I now waited for price to tap this resistance again, and let's see if price will break above it or it will respect and start selling. So after that, what I saw was price start to decline massively. As you can see, we had this bearish engulfing. I was so lucky that I was able to catch this trade, because at first I've analyzed this, so I went out of the chart. So me coming back, I saw that this move have started already. I saw this move starting already. So immediately I saw this move, I didn't panic. I waited for price to push back up, whether I can be able to sell this trade again. So as you can see, we have this bullish candlestick. After that, and also because I know this trade is supposed to sell. As you can see, this is like triple top or fourth top. How many tops are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say these are 4 tops that price has created for us. So this price is meant to sell because the price has changed its trend already. So after that, I now sold this trade and I was risking 20 pips. So this 20 pips was above the triple top we had here. So normally that's where our stop losses are. Stop losses are meant to be above the resistance or support. So my stop loss was above this and my take profit was 40 pips. I told you guys my last YouTube video that any trade I'm taking is just going to be 1:2. So I'm risking 20 pips to make 40 pips here. And as you can see, immediately we sold. Even this trade, I was somehow scared of it because DAX, you guys are supposed to know DAX is a financial trader too. Even DAX and Kelvin Talent were predicting GBPSD to buy at this point here. They were predicting a buy at this point here on GBPUSD. They were predicting a buy. DAX and Kelvin Talent were predicting a buy at this point here. But when I saw that they were predicting a buy on this trade, but I had my trade intact already. I was already in profit. I was already in little profit already. So when I saw that they were already predicting buy on this trade and they've entered it already, what I just did was to not, like, in case if anything happened, I just break even on this trade so that I will not be able to lose, so that I will not lose and start to regret. Immediately I broke even, just like let's say 20 immediately I broke even on this trade. The next one, our price rejected massively and went to our take profit. It didn't even take time. Immediately I broke even, price went massively to our take profit. So what this trade now, what I'm learning from this trade is, no matter what your other people opinion is, like, what I mean is, if you have your strategy, like if you have your setup marked out already, always trust what you are trading, like trust what your setup is telling you. Always trust your own setup rather than trusting other people's setup. Trust what you see and not what you see from other people's charts. You can simply add sense to it because immediately I saw their projection. What I did was I just broke even on the trade so that I will not be able to lose in two ways, like because I saw like a warning or I didn't take it, and what I just did was I just broke even on this trade so that I won't be able to lose in two ways on this chart. So that's what helped me on this chart, and this trade is kind of giving me some confidence in the chart again, like that yes, my strategy has an edge and I should always follow my strategy. And I told you guys this video is just for me to just like a document for me to keep so that I can be able to come back here. Even my friend, I had a Forex trader who is into SMC2. Even it was projecting a buy on this trade. He was projecting a buy on this trade, but I stuck to my plan, stood on my ground that no, I'm going to sell this trade because I know what I saw on this trade. And eventually, you can see we had take profit up to like 40 pips take profit. So I advise you guys, always stick to your own plan. Stick to your plan and not to others. Create out your own plan and stick to it. And there are other ways to it. You might, then the other part is like you will need to learn. You need to learn strategies like back to back. You need to back test, learn from the strategy before you know. Yes, you have an edge. Stick to your plan. Let's just cut it short there. Stick to your plan and not to other people's plan, so that you can be able to have an edge in the chart and be able to know what you're doing. So I hope I see you guys in the next video. Go to the description box and join my Telegram channel where I send signals to my people so that they can take my trade. And congratulations to us, we just hit 50 subscribers on the channel. We just hit 50 subscribers on the channel, That's a big one for us. So congratulations to us. And the broker I'll be recommending are XNES and Access Market. They'll be in the description box. And the prop firm I'm recommending for you guys, I don't really know any dollar prop firm now, but the Naira prop firm there's a Naira prop firm I'm recommending for you guys, which is Naira Prop Trader. At the top, Naira Prop Firm Trader in Nigeria. You guys should get an account with them with just 8,900 naira. You can get an account with them and trade. The rules are not strict for beginners like us. Just make 10% of the account and you pass your account. And there's no daily drawdown. The drawdowns that are there, it's just max drawdown, which that's 20%. So you are not to lose 20% of the account and you have to make just 10%. That's a good rule for a trader like us. So I hope I see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.